In today's video, we're going to go through 20 home decor crochet ideas. I don't know about you, but I just love when somebody comes into my house and they compliment something in there and I tell them I made that. I got 20 of these ideas wrapped up for you. Let's go through them together. Number one is a crochet area rug. This rug just makes my toes want to get all up in there. Like, man, I can see this rug in front of like a rocking chair or like even like in the center of like a playroom. Like, I just think this is gorgeous. You can get the link for this in the description. And this is using t-shirt yarn. So also it's recyclable. What a great thing. Next we have jar covers. So this is like a doily kind of lace jar cover. I really love to have like a bunch of glass jars displayed in my kitchen with like seeds and nuts and like whatever. So this is a great touch to make your kitchen look a little French. Put a doily thing on top and tie it with a bow. Next up is a basket. Who doesn't need organizing baskets? I know I do. And hey, if you need a place to put your keys, put them in something pretty. This is an adorable towel holder pattern with flowers. I have an obsession with flowers, but you don't have to have this specific one with the flowers. You can have a basic one that's like modern. You do you. You could have like stripes and different colors. Cute idea. All right, a plant pot cover. Okay, having plants in your house is somehow just elevates the whole space. It just makes everything, well, you know why? Because there's more oxygen in your house if you have plants, let's be honest. This is a great use of the granny square. I told you guys in my last video, you can do anything with granny squares. This is a great example. You can even make it a plant pot cover. Do you ever go to someone's house and you're like, oh my gosh, they're so put together? It's because they have coasters. That's the sign. If you go to someone's house and they have coasters on their table, you know they are type A and they are super put together. And you better use the coaster if you have a drink because you know they will be mad that you like mark up their table. Okay. Oh, hanging plant holder. You know how many of these I have seen from IKEA? Well, it's a shame if you buy one, if you can just make it yourself. Make one and then you can make it in any color with any type of fiber. And you can also tell your friends that you made that or give it to somebody with a plant in it as a gift. This is such a great idea. Here's another idea. It could be a plant holder or you could just hang it like on the wall by itself without anything in it. This is super cute and like I have never done macrame, but I just might start. Okay, I saw this on this website called Farmhouse, whatever. So this wasn't a pattern, but this is super easy to make. Just looking at this, I know how I would do it. Crochet some flowers, they last forever. You don't have to worry about watering it. I mean, it's a win. Oven mitts. I have to tell you the truth. You've got to be careful with crochet oven mitts because you don't want to like burn your fingers through the holes if your finger pokes through a hole. It's happened to me. I usually crochet these and use them like as pot holders to put on my table so that my table doesn't get burnt by the pot. A super cute idea for your kitchen, if you have a lot of plastic bags that you keep from the store or whatever, keep them inside of a plastic bag dispenser and you can display it by putting flowers on top, or you can just make it look, put a border on there or put like a letter or whatever. You could make it even Christmassy for Christmas or Thanksgiving-ish with a turkey on there. I mean, you could do so much with this stuff. Oh, okay. I love this little crochet frame idea. This is like one of those small little details in someone's house that you notice in the corner and you're like, oh my gosh, that is so detailed and it probably took you so much time. I think it's just great. Like this is very, very dainty. Oh, so I'm obsessed with granny squares. And like I always tell people in my videos, you can do anything with granny squares. Oh, here's another way you can use a granny square. You can make yourself dish towels. Now, if I had this hanging up in my kitchen, I would use cotton. So 100% cotton as the dish towel so that you actually can dry your dishes because if it's acrylic, it's not going to really work. I would do cotton. You know what? You could even wrap it around in your hair. I mean, so many uses. Now we have a wall hanging organizer. Um, yeah, I definitely need this in my entrance because my entrance is a mess. This is just nice. This is another sign that someone's very put together in their house. You could put your glasses in there. You could put your keys. You could put, I don't know, gum, your medicine on the way out the door or whatever. Throw pillows. Now this, when it comes to pillows and crochet, I feel like the texture is everything. And the bigger the yarn, usually the more beautiful I feel like this is. This is definitely something I could see being sold in Target. It just has a Target vibe, doesn't it? What's better about making this yourself versus buying it in Target or on Amazon is you can make it in any color you want. And you could also add like a thin gold strand. You know how they sell like those thin strands of like glittery yarn or gold or whatever? You could add that in there and make it look like sparkly. Next up, placemats. If you're the type of person that likes to host and you're going to have people over, placemats just add a little bit more sophistication to a table. Let's be honest. You can put placemats on a table, then you put the plate, then you put the napkin and everything. It just kind of ties everything together. I really was drawn to this picture because of the colors, and it's simple. It's a very simple circle. It would not be complicated to make it. I'm definitely going to do this for Thanksgiving. And there we go. That brings me to my next photo, another placemat that is specifically for Thanksgiving or autumn. It's a maple leaf, like, and it's using t-shirt yarn, which I love. And wow, the texture on this is just absolutely gorgeous. It looks pretty simple. Looks like it's like straight back and forth rows. A granny square bathroom rug. This is a very different kind of granny square. It's like puffy. And it just, oh, this also makes my toes just want to go right on top of it. I would definitely make this to go in like a guest bathroom, and you could even do like all one color. I think it looks like it's giving me spa vibe. We have more pot holders. This is definitely like a color pop going on. I love the zigzags and the texture of this as well. This would also make like, this would be pretty to like hang it up in your kitchen with like two little hooks, like hang it up, and it could match the rest of your kitchen. You can change it out for every season. I think that's really cute. Little baskets. I use these all over my house. I have little baskets in my kids' drawers to organize clips and stuff like that. I have them in my office. I have them in my bathroom for my makeup brushes. You name it. I have a basket in every room for coins, in the kitchen to keep my spoons for Christmas. And the last really cool idea. And the last cool idea for home decor is doilies. Doilies in a frame. Like, this is really cool. And this is so creative how this lady did like a doily, and she probably glued it or sewed it onto like the hoop. Yeah, that's a way to like revive the past, I feel like. Such a cool idea. And that's it for our 20 home decor crochet ideas. If you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment on the video and tell me what is your favorite thing to make for your house. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.